Hello, grade 2. This is Ms. Nuran Abu Shafa. This is our first lesson in the science subjects. Our first lesson is about materials. You know that we have two types of materials, natural materials and manufactured materials. What is the difference between these two kinds or between these two types? The first one is natural material. A natural material comes from the earth around us, from plants or from animals. So natural materials, they come from nature. It can be from plants or from animals. As you can see here, some examples of natural materials. We have stone, wood and cotton. The stone comes from rocks and the wood comes from trees, and the cotton comes from plants, which is the cotton plant. Some materials, they come from animals like wool, leather and feathers. So wool, leather and feathers, they come from animals, but the wool comes from the sheep, precisely. Leather comes from the bull, and the feathers come from the duck. So all these materials come from animals. Our second type is manufactured materials. What are the manufactured materials? Manufactured materials are materials made from natural materials. So, manufactured materials are materials, but they're human-made, they're not natural. They're made from the natural materials. And what does manufactured mean? Manufactured means it is man-made or human-made. That means people made it. It's not from nature. We can change natural materials to make them more useful. So why do we change the natural materials? To make them more useful, so we can use them in other things. We can also use natural materials to make other materials. So we take the natural materials and we change them to manufactured materials to make them useful, so we can use them. As an example here, I brought up some natural materials that has been changed to manufactured materials. As an example, the first one, we have wood. Okay, papers are made from wood. Papers are manufactured from wood. Glass is manufactured also from sand. Glass is manufactured from the sand. Concrete is manufactured from the limestone. Limestone is kind of limes. This is its picture. So the concrete is manufactured from the limestone.